Hello students, hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome back to EVS1 online session of lesson number 5, Water for Every Household. Can you recall what are the different purposes for which we need water? We need water for different purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning dishes, washing clothes, watering plants, etc. Can you tell? The picture below shows some containers used for storing water at home. Which of these have come into use more recently? Nowadays, steel and plastic containers are used for storing water. What materials are used to make these different containers? Materials such as clay, copper, brass, steel, and plastic are used to make these containers. What are the advantages of having a lid and a tap on the container? The advantage of having a lid on the container prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. The advantages of having a tap on the container helps to prevent contamination and it becomes easier to take the water. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. Earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots were used to store water. Care of drinking water. To ensure good hygiene, we must have safe drinking water. If we consume contaminated water, it can cause diseases. That is why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. We keep the drinking water containers covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt on our hands can enter the water. So we use a dipper to take the water and we replace the lid at once. But the best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. This way it becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. When the water in a container is finished, we wash the container well before refilling it. If we take such care, we get clean water all the time. Do you know water does not become stale? Some people believe that the previous day's drinking water must be thrown away and fresh water stored every day because the previous day's water becomes stale. But this is a misconception. Throwing away dead water amounts to wasting good water. Stale means no longer fresh or good. Misconception. Misconception means a wrong or inaccurate idea or conception. Dear students, we have to perform an experiment of water distribution. For that, you have to take help of your parents to perform it. For the experiment, we require empty bottle, empty pen refills, or you can use a straw. Try this. Do this under adult supervision. Take a plastic bottle, cut off its upper narrow portion, make 4 small holes on the 4 sides of the bottle near its base. Cut a spent ball pen refill into 4 pieces. Fix one piece into each of the 4 holes tightly. Fill the bottle with water. Take a plastic bottle, cut its upper narrow part. Like this you have to cut. Then you have to make small holes on the four sides. Take an empty refill and cut it into 4 pieces. One by one you will put it in the holes. You can see I have put all the 4 cutted pieces of refills on in the 4 holes. Now take some water and pour it. You can see the water is coming from the tubes. So this way water is distributed from the pipes.
What do you see? Water flows from all the 4 tubes. What does this tell us? Using pipes, we can distribute water stored in one place to several different places at the same time. Large cement or plastic tanks are installed on the roofs of big buildings. Water from these tanks can be piped into the kitchens, bathrooms, toilets in these buildings.